I'm trying to see. Hold on, y'all. We trying to get everything situated right now.
I understand it. We can both pull and you discard that. All right. Joey? As soon as he got his working, then I had issues. You're done.
Joey's done.
You'll find out who you race against. And once we hit the button, you'll find out who you race against.
You want me to hold it and get it? And pass it out so you can, oh, y'all got it, y'all done.
Oh, y'all got it down?
I see.
Call this moment's our time? Yes. We're going to say we're going to call your class up. Okay? Who was that? Hold on. Don't go anywhere yet. Hold on.
Okay, now you can tell her.
Please do not leave.
The first name.
Chris.
We got Chris up here,
Move
y'all.
a little slower because we got the largest class here, guys. Just give us a moment. Once we do this, the rest of the day is going to be easy breezy. Archie, you are good, sir.
Okay, they getting everybody situated, getting the names logged in so they know who gonna race who.
Don't put these back in. Make sure we don't put the chips back in, guys. All right.
I know y'all do too. Everybody.
Okay, bam.
You just come over here. Sir, 19.
19, they getting everything situated. Let me go over here one time for the one time. Yo, what's up, boys? Y'all having a nice weekend? Shakedown sheets, yeah, man. They got some cupcakes over here. I'm about to see what them hitting like. Let me see, it look like he know about them. Y'all think he had a cupcake yet or what? I'm gonna ask him in a minute. Hey man, you had one of them cup. Get out your nose, boy. Barbecue lemon pepper. I want some barbecue lemon pepper. I might go get me a spray or a bottle of Dr. Pepper. I had some barbecue lemon. Look at him, got his feet up. Dang. I wonder if I was talking on the phone like that when I was this little. He look like he chill back. Look at him, got an iPhone 12, pop socket. Look at him using the pop socket and everything. Got another phone. Damn. What kind of shoes he got on? Some Nike. Hey, what's up, man? Got a chain. Hey, you had them cupcakes yet? You ain't had one. You think it's nasty?
I don't like cupcakes.
You don't like how it look? I don't want one neither then. I don't want one neither then. Dang. Young Yeezy say, you're weird, dude. Nice to know. Yeah, didn't he look like he was making a deal on the phone, man? Had a little necklace on. If my son acted like that in front of going, I would smack the. Wow. Let me see. He out here making deals. Who Justin Bieber calling? I don't know. Man, what I want to snack on right now? He said them cupcakes don't look right. I don't even want to look at them. Let's see what they got over here. I've been smelling some fries. Oh, she worked for Summit. Hey, miss. How you doing? Hey. I was speaking to her. Hey, man. You all right? All right. She seemed like she's scared of me. Hey, I don't got COVID.
You out there, Yello Belly too, right?
Yeah, I'll be a Yello Belly. I'll be a Yello Belly.
I saw that GTR video you posted.
Oh yeah, I just posted it yesterday. It's already spreading. Yeah, I'm glad my old video spread, man. He say he just seen the GTR video, man. That old who put them bead locks on? You know him? You put them tires on for him? Oh, that wasn't you?
They didn't even lock it.
Oh, you know how to do it? Okay, so he wouldn't be in this problem, y'all. Y'all check out some of my latest videos on YouTube. Look Out Racing, man. Got a GTR, came up there to Yello Belly. Had my boy up here at Summit, put his tires on. Then he went out there to go race, and the tires, then they came off. You ever seen that before?
Not like that.
Not like that. He ain't seen that before. Don't worry.
The rims didn't get damaged.
Yeah, right. They were looking clean and shiny. I'm glad he ain't mess them up. Whoever put them on gapped that dude's wallet. Probably did, man. I'm gonna say they getting it cooked on up in there, but I don't want nothing. They ain't got no snack. I need a dessert. Oh, I got some cookies, y'all. I went to McDonald's earlier. Pocket change. Look out, look out, look out. What's up with it, man? Y'all ready? Y'all? Who I need to bet with?
Oh, dude, I don't know.
You don't know?
Just parts.
Oh, what parts y'all getting? Some stock blocks? Okay. Small block stuff, man, already. Probably getting a little nitrous kit or something. Ain't no telling. Cause I'm over here, I was trying to figure out, do I got any, what's them called, the people that work on dogs? Veterinarians. I got any veterinarians. Oh, it's still at 1080? Oh, okay. It'll be alright then. Any veterinarians in the building, man? This dog needs something with it. He done scared me. If that was a car, it'll be a red eye. I forgot about them McDonald's cookies. Here we go. Who that camming over there? Look out. That's nice.